Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to take out the toner unit from Xerox WORKCENTER 5016 A3 all-in-one printer. A3 all-in-one printer. Printer, scanner, copier. Right? First, in this printer, you have to open the front door first. See, so here you have to keep your finger and pull out, right? So I did open the front door. Right? Then this is the powder unit, that is cartridge unit. This is the cartridge unit. How to remove this? See, don't try to remove this cartridge unit here itself, because which is linked with the side door. This is the side door, right? So we have to remove the side door. To remove the side door, so there is a knob. You have to lift up the knob. You have to lift up the knob. Then you have to open the side door. After opening the side door, just you have to press this orange button. Then just remove the cartridge. This is the way to remove the cartridge. This cartridge consists of drum unit and powder unit. So this is the drum. This is the, here only you have to put the powder. Put the powder. See here, this is the powder. You have to put like this. See here, there is the option. You have to place. This is the way. You have to place. After removing this cap, you have to turn down. Then turn down in this area. Then you have to insert. Then you have to fill the powder. Right? So this powder unit consists of a drum, blade and powder unit. So if drum is giving problem, you can change. If blade is giving problem, you can change. As well as if powder got exhaust, you can refill the powder. This is the way to take out the cartridge. After taking out the cartridge, your system will be like this. So after refilling the powder, then you have to keep like this. Then you have to send back and you have to lock. It is not getting locked, so I am trying. Yeah. So now locked. Then you have to close the side door. Right? Then you have to close this front door. Then this side, both sides, this side as well as this side, you have to close. This is the way to take out the powder unit and drum unit from the Xerox WORKCENTER 5016 and replace the powder and place once again into your machine. So just if you open this front door, don't try to take out. After opening this side door only, you have to remove the cartridge. Thanking you. So the same method you have to apply. Then take out the toner cartridge. Right? Okay. So this is little bit difficult, because generally the people, what they will do, they will open the front door, they will try to take out the cartridge. That is wrong. They have to. So you have to open like this, and you have to install the cartridge. Thanking you. Have a nice time. we will see in the next problem with the next solution.